Let's understand at the core, Vedic mathematics contains 16 verses. Okay. And a lot of corollaries. Do you know what is a corollary? What is a corollary? Sub rule. Okay, there is a rule and there is a sub rule. Okay, it is all stated in Sanskrit verses. Okay, actually, we have lost many of these verses. What we have been able to get is only 16. Okay, do you know who is Aryabhatta?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right?
Sir,
In fact, our ancient scientists told the world that Earth is not flat. What is the shape of Earth?
Spherical in shape.
Sorry?
Spherical in
Spherical.
Sphere.
here.
Sir, it's elliptical.
Yes, good. It is elliptical. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So thousands of years back, much before the European scientists, our own rishis were able to tell that Earth is elliptical. Not only that, what is an eclipse?
Sir, it's a phenomena in which either the moon or the earth comes between the light emitted from the sun.
Right? Thousands of years ago, our rishis predicted the date of eclipse. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
They predicted date of eclipse. In fact, if you see in Mahabharata, right? If you don't believe this, go and watch movies on Mahabharata. In Mahabharata, during the 18-day Kurukshetra war, all of you know this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
You all know
Yes, sir.
Pandavas and Kauravas, right? They
Yes,
fought
sir.
against the 18-day war. There were two eclipses. And our people were able to predict the date on which the eclipse will happen. Can you believe, how many years before Mahabharata happened? Maybe 5,000 years? Or even before that, right? They were able to
Yes, sir.
predict, right? They were able to predict the date of eclipse. How did they do? Any guesses? How did they do?
Random guesses.
Sorry?
Random.
Random
Sir, calculations?
calculations. It was all mathematics. It was not random, guys. Okay? It was definitely not random. It is all based on mathematical calculations. All based on mathematics calculations. Okay? That is the beauty. That is the beauty of our Vedic lineage, right? Of course, let's not say that it is Hindu or any other religion, right? Because mathematics do not belong to any religion. Okay. And the concept of zero. Do you know what is the importance? Concept of zero. Do you know what? Without zero, you cannot write beyond 9, right? I write 1, 2, 3, so on up to 9. If I need to have more numbers, I need zero, right?
Yes, sir.
Who discovered zero?
Not necessary, no, sir. Like
No.
11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Beyond a point, beyond a point. And how will you write without zero? How will you write decimal? How will you write decimal? So the concept of zero went from this land.
Hello?
Yes,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
is it? No, I think you check your connection. Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So the concept of zero went from India. There is a place in, the Indus Valley civilization, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
There, they are telling about a system where people were writing numbers beyond billion and trillion. What is billion and trillion? Can you tell me how many zeros are there in million?
6,
How many zeros are there in billion?
10,
Huh?
10.
Anyone else?
8.
8, sir.
Sir, no, sir. 9, sir. It's 9 zeros. 9 zeros.
Sure,
9 zeros.
right? You are all studying mathematics,
It's
right?
9 zeros, sir.
Right? You yourself are having doubt, but our forefathers, thousands of years back, in fact, there is a place called Kiradi in Tamil Nadu. A lot of archaeological excavations are going on. Okay, this is in central Tamil Nadu. There, they are finding notations for beyond trillions and trillions. Imagine how sophisticated our civilization was. Right? So it is those things that we are trying to bring as part of Vedic mathematics. For what? To do calculations faster.
Sir,
Yes.
before zero was invented, we have only 9 numbers.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, sir.
See, understand this. See, guys, understand. This is a concept you all must understand. You need this, right? To express, this is tens. This is hundreds. This is thousands. This is 10,000s. Right? Without zero, I can't go beyond 9. You think that if I write 999, it is all there, right? But how will I express? What is 999? It is 9 into 100, 9 into 10, 9 into 1. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
All
Yes,
of you
sir.
understand?
Yes,
So,
sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
without zero, mathematics is not there. So zero is very, very important to mathematics.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
Is zero an invention or discovery?
Zero is a discovery.
Okay, sir.
For the benefit of everyone, can you tell the difference between invention and discovery?
Invention is something which we create on by ourselves. Discovery is something which is already there
Good.
and we come to know.
Right. Discovery, okay. Discover. That is discover. Something is hidden. Right? I put a, it is covered. Right? Some object is inside. If I remove this, this object is visible to me, right? So discover is something that already exists. Remember what I said, Fibonacci series, it already existed. We are only trying to find.
Sir, but how do we know that it was already existing?
See, the point I'm trying to make is the Fibonacci series I showed, right? We have given a name. Okay, the concept existed.
Understood, sir.
Right?
Sir,
Yes.
sir, do we discover it accidentally or
Both.
we just discover it like that?
Both.
Okay, sir.
Do you know Archimedes?
No, sir.
What did he find? Anyone knows Archimedes' principle?
No, sir.
He discovered the weight of water,
Water.
weight of liquid. Do you know what is H2O?
Yes, sir.
Water. Right? So, what I want is all of you go and read about Archimedes' principle. I'm going to ask a question in the next class, okay? See, as part of Vedic mathematics, I'm going to teach a lot of things, okay? Just to keep it interesting for all of us, okay? Learn new things. Have that openness to learn, okay? Today, what are the new things you have learned? You have learned about Fibonacci series. You have learned about Archimedes. You have learned the importance of zero. You have also learned, Earth follows an elliptical path. You have learned that in Mahabharata time itself, our Indians predicted the date and time, not just date and time of eclipse. How beautiful, right? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay.